Hey guys, this is Nowshin. Today we'll be learning static arrays. So basically what arrays are like, they're like index of elements. Instead of declaring individually variables and assigning values to those variables, for example, you can like in a suppose in a is equals to 5, sorry, b equals to 6, c equals to 7. So now you're just giving different variables here, and it just can sometimes kind of makes your code complex, and then it becomes harder to understand when you're like doing bigger codes there. So it's easier if you use arrays where you gather up all of them together and puts them in a single place. So let's jump right into the code. Okay, so I'm just gonna name my array A 5. You can give it anything x, y, z, and here the range here, which I gave 5. You can give it anything here, even 1,100, anything. And arrays always start with 0 for like for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. So basically the zeros index is the first index, the second index, the third index, the fifth index with 5 values. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna declare I, which I'll be using inside a loop. You always need to use loop when it comes to arrays. And if you don't do it, if you don't want to do it here, so for every single loop, when you're gonna declare, you're gonna have to be like integer I equals to, or integer j equals to whatever this is, if you're not declaring it first. Okay, let's do the loop here. For I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus, see out the values, ai. Okay, so at first let me just write here, this is the static array, cout and everything's okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, they're huddled up together. Now it's okay. Static array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've given the values here, and now it loop goes through each of these indexes and prints out the values here. Now what if I didn't give these values? Let's just, now what we have to do here is that what we're doing is like we're making the user give the values. Oops. So let's just copy it and then paste it here. This second loop is here. This first loop is used for inputting the values. Now usually if you don't declare this here, you need to write it in front of each of these i's. Now I'll just declare the values. Okay, wait, it will be easier to understand if I just give a cout like this. Values are okay. So now I'll just give the values here. Values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just give the values here, and it is giving it here. Remember, if you just declare the range, don't go above the range. Just be within the range, okay? So this is it, guys. This is what static array basically is. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Goodbye.